guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping in. Guys, today I want to show you very simple recipe for man and woman. It's very simple and very nutritious and very healthy. It's just organic, okay guys? So let's go to the kitchen and I will show you all the ingredients we are going to use for it. So guys, this is the ingredient we are going to use to prepare this lovely healthy smoothie. Over here is our carrots, and I'm using 3 carrots, 2 banana and papaya. I'm going to use half of the papaya to blend it. So guys, this is the ingredient we are going to use to prepare the smoothie, okay? And this smoothie is 100% organic. It's very nutritious, very healthy and very nice, okay? It helps our men to perform very well in the bed, longer and stronger, and always ready to go, okay guys? So guys, let's go on now and start cutting them, okay? So I'm going to start with the carrots first. I've cleaned the carrots, I've scraped the bag, washed the banana and washed the papaya. So I'm going to start cutting the carrots now. Wash them very well before you can start cutting, okay? I'm going to cut half of the papaya now. So I've finished cutting them. So we're going to start blending now. Sorry, my blender is small, it's not big one. So I'm going to blend it 2 times. But if you have big blender, you blend everything once, okay? And I'm going to use coconut water. You can use ordinary water. You can use coconut water. But it's very good when you use coconut water to blend it. It's very good, okay? And I'm going to use 1.5 cup of coconut water. Do you see it? I'm using 1.5 cups. 1.5 cup to blend it, okay? I've put the one can go in for now. So I'm going to cover it, then start blending. I'm going to continue blending until I finish blending everything. I'm adding more. So I've finished blending them now. I'm going to turn it into glass cup. Guys, it's good to take it very early in the morning, 30 minutes before before your breakfast. Just take it for 7 days. It's very nice. It helps very well, you know. So guys, you can see how it looks like. Very smooth and thick. Imagine how it's gonna look inside there. Hey, let me hold myself. I don't want to talk too much. So guys, this is end of all the ingredients put together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back. I so much appreciate you guys. Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed for me. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Okay, and if you like the video, thumbs up for me guys, and share is allowed in this house. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.